Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you do a lot of home office work, then you definitely need a good laminating machine. I really love this really simple, easy to use machine from Qfun. This laminator will hold up to an 11 by 17 paper, and they give you all the supplies that you need so that you can set yourself up for any kind of laminating. The machine is super simple to use. All you have to do is plug it in, turn it on, and then you can wait for it to be ready, which takes less than 60 seconds. It has 3 different modes, which are really useful because depending on the thickness of your paper, you may want to go with a thicker paper, so you can go up to that 5 milliliter mode that will really apply the heat and make sure that your stuff gets laminated with no problem. I also really love the laminating machine because they included accessories that help you to do everything on your own without having to leave your space. They included a paper cutter, a corner rounder, which makes everything look so professional, and they also included a hole punch as well as some binder rings. So you have everything that you need with this really simple, easy to use binding machine. The laminating takes about a minute or less depending on the size, and literally you just feed it in through the machine and it comes out looking like professional quality. Whether you're using this for work, for some education purposes, or just for crafting, you will have so much fun using this little machine and making everything look so professional. And that's my point of view.